How to set up Shopify for Google's Discover feature. Simply visit Rankia website and copy this code here. Basically, Shopify stores actually automatically generate the feed for you. So simply visit your blog post section, then place .atom, and that's your feed. So therefore, simply copy this, go to your Shopify store dashboard, the theme that you're using, you can press on the three dots, edit code, theme.liquid file, you can simply make some room after the head portion and place that code. All you need to do is replace this link here. So in my example, this is the link URL and yours will be different. Okay, so once you place that there, you simply save your Shopify theme file and your Shopify store will be ready for Google's Discover feature. On Rankia website, I have additional insights so that your Shopify store can take advantage of Google search traffic. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.